Hello students, welcome you all. So now we are going to discuss question number 5. So let's read the question. In a classroom, four friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D. Okay, as shown in figure 7.8. So this is the figure. Now you can see A, B, C and D. Four friends are sitting. Now Champa and Chameli. Okay, very good, nice name. So Champa and Chameli walks into the class. And after observing for a few minutes, Champa asked Chameli, okay, Champa is asking to Chameli, don't you think ABCD is a square? So Champa is saying ABCD is a square. Okay, she is asking to Chameli that is ABCD is a square. Now Chameli is disagreeing, okay, Chameli does not agree. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. Okay, so use the distance formula and you have to find who among these two are correct. So Champa is saying that this ABCD is a square and Chameli is saying ABCD is not a square. So let's find who is saying the correct thing. Okay, so before going to solution, we have to see the points where A, B, C, D or A, B, C, D are sitting. Okay, so there is a graph like figure structure here in this figure. Now you can see this, we will consider this as x axis and this is as y axis, this axis as y axis. So now here you can see A point. Now we have to find the coordinate of A. So x coordinate of A is 3, y coordinate of A is, here you can see 4. So 3, 4. Similarly, B, now we will move to B. Here you can see x coordinate is 6, because if you draw a perpendicular to x axis, it will cross the x axis at 6. Okay, therefore x coordinate is 6 here and y coordinate is, you can see, 7. Similarly, we will move to C. Here x coordinate is, you can clearly see, 9 and y coordinate you can see is also 4, same as A. Similarly, for point D, x coordinate is 6, y coordinate is here 1. So now we have found the coordinates of 4 points A, B, C and D. Now what we will do? How can we say that ABCD is a square or not? First we have to find the length of AB, then BC, then CD, then AD. If all the AB, BC, CD and AD are same, then we can say whether there is a chances of ABCD is a square. Again, after finding that AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, we can't be confirmed, we can't be sure that ABCD is a square, because ABCD may be a rhombus also. So that we have to find that AC and length of BD. If AC equal to BD, then we can say yes, ABCD is a square, because if AC equal to BD in a square, the diagonals are equal. So now start to first what we have to do, we have to find length of AB, BC, CD, AD, AC and BD. Okay, so let's start. Okay, before moving to solution, I would like to repeat the distance formula. So I hope all of you know the distance formula. So I'll repeat it again for you. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, then whole root over. Okay, so this is the distance, d equal to root over of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You remember it. Okay, now we will move to solution part. So here we have already found the coordinates of A, B, C and D, and they are this. Okay, so A coordinate of A is this one, coordinate of B is 6, 7, coordinate of C is 9, 4, coordinate of D is 6, 1. Now we have to find the length of AB. So AB, you can see this is A, this is B. Okay, I'm writing at A, that is B. So x2 minus x1, so 6 minus 3, you can see 6 minus 3 root square plus 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4 whole square, then root over. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 square is your 9, 7 minus 4 is your again 3, then 3 square is 9. Now 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 root over of 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Okay. So we first found the value of AB. So AB is 3 root 2. Now similarly we will move to the next part, that is BC. Again you can see B and this is your C. Now 9 minus 6, this is your, for this case, for the distance between B and C, this one 6 will be x1, 7 will be y1, and here 9 will be x2, 4 will be y2. Okay. Now BC equal to 9 minus 6, 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square, 4 minus 7 whole square, whole root over. Now again 9 minus 6 is, yes, 3, 3 square is 9. Now 4 minus 7 is again 3, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 9, 18 root, that is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, now we have got to AB equal to BC we have found. Similarly we have to find length of CD and AD. Okay, then they will also be 3 root 2 and 3 root 2. Now you can see length of all the four sides AB, you can see here AB, BC, CD and AD or DA is equal to 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, all are 3 root 2. So all the four sides are equal here. Here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD equal to 3 root 2. If all the four sides are equal, now there is some chances of ABCD being a square. But here we have to also see that whether the diagonals A, B, C, D, here AC diagonal and BD diagonal are equal or not. Let's see, we have to find AC now. So AC equal to again root over of, there is A, here A and C, so that is A, this C. 9 minus 3, okay, 9 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 4 square, here you can see 4 minus 4 square. So 9 minus 3 square is, 9 minus 3 is your 6, 6 square is 36, 4 minus 4 is 0, you will let it. So 36 root over, which is equal to 6. So now AC is equal to 6. Similarly, you have to find BD, and we will find BD that BD is also equal to 6. So now what you got? In this figure, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, we have found AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and AC is also equal to BD, AC equal to BD. Therefore, we can say ABCD is a what? What type of figure? It is a square. Okay. So now we can say who was correct and who was incorrect. Champa was saying that it was a, yes, two friends were there, na? Champa was saying that it was a square. So Champa was correct, okay, and Chameli was not correct.